Hello, my name is Paul Shanahan, and welcome to my demonstration on my blended diet app. I'll first go through it. I'll press play on the emulator, and this is just to set it up. To start it, what first comes up is just building. I wanted to restart it just to show the splash screen. It's launching there now, so this is how it comes up. This is my splash screen, and this is my main screen page. So basically I go through what it's about. So I go to the home page, just click on that. This brings me to the nav drawer. So this is my home page. This basically just describes the what the app is about. It's a blended diet app that will provide information and allows tube feeders to purchase or to view recipes and get information about it, which I'll go through the different sections of it on this. So this is basically my nav drawer, which I have in this screen just to kind of go through. So it goes through all the clickable functions, which I'll go through that. But I'll come back to that. I'll just go through the main screen first. So this is my main screen. So that was the home page there. So this is tube care. So this is basically my fragments section. So I've used fragments here. So basically this is about tube care. So this is home. This just describes what a G tube is. This is NG tube. It's another kind of tube that goes through the nose. That just describes that. I use the icons here to show just a better review of them. This is just tube tips. Just goes through like the best way to look after the tube and that. And then just position when feeding, which I can add to as well. But at the moment, it's just a quick kind of paragraph of it. So that's the tube care page. The next section is, next page is calories. So clicking on the calories. So this is just a quick kind of view of what calories are in, just made a list view here. Just going down, I just added fruits for the moment, but I can add meats and grains and that. So it's basically just describing like, so an orange, 1 orange, 16 grams, 65 calories. Banana is 105 calories, and they're clickable and they bring it to the source of the page where I got the information. This is my search view here, which I had trouble with, and it's not fully working, which I'm continuing to work on. It should just come up banana there, but it doesn't. So that's something I will continually work on. That's my calories page. So next then is special diets. So this is kind of the recipes. This is my Firebase kind of page where I use the information in the Firebase to grab the stuff from here. So I put salad wrap test here. That's just testing the Firebase. So if I remove test in the Firebase now, I would get, it would come up as salad wrap. And they're clickable. And that shows the ingredients and the total calories. And the date it was added. And it's a list view again. And so these, I have to add the date section and the total calories, but they're all clickable, and it's like mac and cheese. It's just all different menus are all different ingredients. Chicken noodle soup. And they're the actual pictures of the food, which I have made and used, and they're the ingredients. So next up is tips. So the tips page, it just supplements that you can add with the blended food to put into the tube, obviously. And I wanted, this is just a swipe page. So if I swipe right, it'll bring me to blending on a budget. So it's basically, this goes through just people's, thing, like how they worked on a budget with the blended diet. Just basically describes that. So I swipe back there, swipe left. And this is about food temperature. So it's important, the food temperature of the blended food when you're giving it to someone, that has to be right. And this basically just describes that. These are just icons to make it just a bit more user friendly. So next then is the contact us page. So basically with the app, it's basically just typing in your email here. So it'll be my email. So it brings in my email and just test. Then you're the right test, and it sends. So what happens then is it comes up, Gmail, your provider comes up, it goes into Gmail, and it can send then through that. It might take a bit to come up now. But basically it goes in, welcome to Gmail. Yeah, so that's the contact us page. Next is BMI calculator. So this is a way of seeing if the patient is a healthy weight or not. So in kgs, so an example is if you're 88 kgs and I don't know, say 160 in height, calculates, and then, you know, so obese class, so moderately obese, so reduce some calories from your diet. So if you put in, say, 68, then you'd be overweight. So it's the next one. So it's reduce calories from your diet, so it wouldn't be moderately. So if you've done 58, that'd be normal. Congratulations, you're healthy weight, and so on. And then if you typed in 38, I know it's not very severely underweight, like, so you wouldn't be 38 kg and 160, but it's just an example. And then if you want to do the pounds, so 200 pounds and 6 foot, calculate, be overweight, and it works the same way as well, and reduce calories from your diet. So that BMI calculator helps you see if you're getting enough nutrition and calories out of your blended meal. And then I have a food diary. So basically just add this. So if eating breakfast, and just like banana, just an example here. Apple. And then that's just an example, but you can type in what you eat, what the patient's, and it comes up. And then that can be deleted or viewed. And this is kind of my crud bit of my app. So like, you know, just an example, just let me to add another one. And then save. So that they add, and they all add as a list view and save to your diary. They can be deleted and the date they're added. My app kind of has this menu as well that I can move around there, like, so that's the main screen, that's home, so that brings to the two, and they work on every page. So yeah, that's basically bringing back to the main screen, so you can flick around. That's the functionality of my app. Blended diet, to help people who are nil by mouth to have the proper nutrients to feed themselves. Yeah, thanks very much.